Hi guys, welcome yet to another cooking video. Thank you very much for coming to watch, and thank you for giving time to my videos to watch. Today we are going to make fish. Just as you see, we are going to make fish. That is boiled fish. So you put your fish, prepare your ingredients, and then we go dive into the video. So as you see, I'm putting black pepper. I'm starting to put my ingredients. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button so that you may be notified wherever I upload a new video. So there I'm starting to put all my ingredients, mix them together. And guys, don't forget to give me a sweet comment in the comment section how you think about today's vlog. There is my salt. I'm adding salt. Then actually you add salt according to your taste. So that is my fish. Today we are going to cook a boiled fish. It is like it's oven, that's what I should say, oven boiled fish. So that is my paprika, that is pepper. I add paprika. I used just few ingredients, paprika, just as I showed you. I used few ingredients and my food will turn out very well. That is black pepper, what I added in. So don't forget to try this, guys. When you have time, try it. It will taste fine. And don't forget to leave me a sweet comment after you trying. Please leave me a comment. Sorry, leave me a sweet comment. Yeah, so that I know how you tell me how it was, how it went. So guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. There we go. We are going to add all our ingredients to make this fish like spiced up. So we add our vegetables. We start with onions. Then we have white pepper, red pepper. That's what we have. And carrots as well. Then we also have garlic. Yeah, I remember garlic. We have garlic, so you don't forget to add anything that you think of that you want of your choice. You can add in this fish. So that is my fish, and I spiced it up. Then the last but not least, we add the that lemon. Yeah, we add lemon to give it that, like, to balance the fish with the vegetables. We have our ingredients ready, so we put in the lemon to balance the fish and the vegetables and give it that sweet taste. Yeah, don't forget to put that lemon. Always lemon is the key to everything. Yeah, I was adding salt because the vegetables didn't have salt, so I wanted to add some salt. Remember, I put salt in the fish but not on the vegetables, so I had to add some little salt on my vegetables. So now my vegetables are ready. They are ready and ready to put. Guys, don't come for me. I washed my hands before I used them to mix my ingredients, so I washed them before. So, and I prefer using my hands, touching my food like with my hands. So that's how I feel like, yeah, I'm connecting with my food. So don't come for me that, you're using your hands, what? No, don't come for me. The last ingredients are tomatoes. I used one tomato because I didn't want my like, when you use so many tomatoes, your food will be like sweet, that sweet, that kind of sweetness that we don't like. So you use moderate tomatoes. So I use my tomatoes. I added tomatoes. Remember, this is a vegetable fish. Actually, that's the right name, vegetable fish. Sorry to say, it is a vegetable fish. So you can try it. You add all the ingredients that you want. You can put them together, and then, yeah, you will see the results. I use the tomatoes. Don't forget, I use tomatoes, garlic, onions, pepper, and the spices. So here we go. I show you how it came out, and don't wait for the results. Yeah, we open our oven. My oven was I didn't preheat my oven just because it was not necessary. So I just had to put direct, then yeah, open, put my fish, and then close and put heat. You can put heat to your, like, how you wish, like how your oven works is the, it doesn't have that limit. Like, we don't limit the heat or put 20 watt, no. But for me, I used one, I think 250. That was my heat, according, because different ovens have different numbers of heat. So you can, mine has the last one as 250, so I use 250. So yours may be having 160 as the highest heat, or somewhere somehow you have the 100. So I put my fish, and yeah, there we go. It started cooking. Yeah, it started cooking. So we call it vegetable fish put in the oven. Yeah, that's the right thing. So this will come out so, so good. Guys, as we are cooking, please don't forget to give this video a like. Give it a thumbs up, please. Please, 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 I'm begging. And don't forget to leave me a sweet comment in the comment section. And don't forget to watch my other videos that I uploaded a few months ago. Please, they are good videos and educative. Here we go. We check on our fish, how it is, and it had started boiling. It has started boiling. Yeah. So you give it cooks between 40 minutes to an hour. Between 40 minutes to an hour, so that everything like dissolves in the fish. All this, we want all the ingredients to dissolve in this fish. So I wanted to check it out, how it turned out, how it, like, after 20 minutes I had to check it on out, how it is, because I don't want it to get burnt. So I had to check it, and this is how it looks. This is not the final, but we are still cooking it, but I had to check it out, spread the ingredients all over, dissolve the tomatoes, like, make the ingredients even in the fish. So this was after 20 minutes of me cooking this fish, and it turned out this way. And wait for the outcome at the end.